Hi again, and as we warned you, today in the morning we're going to release where we're at. We're in Waukegan Harbor, and we're going to show you what is to be owner of the fishing charter boat, or boats in that case. So we're going fishing with the Captain Nick and Captain Kyle.
It's some of the best salmon fishing in the world. Charters start at 5 in the morning and go to 11, and then we do 11 to 5. So we run 2 6-hour charters a day, and then
7 days a week?
7 days a week. So that's 12 hours of fishing and about 4 hours of prep time, 2 hours of cleaning and 2 hours of prepping the boat before the trip and stuff. But I enjoy it. It's definitely in my blood. We got 3 generations out here, and that's unbelievable when we could be all fishing at the same time. There's not many people could say that, where you're fishing with your grandfather, my dad, my uncle, my brother.
Kyle, as Nick was saying, your dad started that business as 46 years ago with your grandfather. It was the same business, it was 2 separate businesses?
It was 2 separate businesses. My grandfather actually started back in 1955. He was one of the first charter boat captains out here that started salmon fishing. And he's been running charters ever since he was about 87 years old. He finally just retired. He comes out with us periodically. He even creates flies. He ties flies for all the charter boat captains here on the west coast of Lake Michigan. Everyone knows him. His name is Peter Need. So it was actually on one of my dad's first boats that he bought, and it's bad luck if you change the name of the boat that it was originally named.
I didn't know that.
So that's how we came up with Spendthrift. It was on my dad's very first boat when he was 18. He bought back a long time ago.
What makes fishing on Lake Michigan so unique?
It's some of the best salmon fishing in the world, where you could go out any day of the week, catch five salmon per day, 365 days out of the year, and it's one of the freshest or biggest bodies of water.
I mean, I'm not sure about salmon. I know it's like salmon, you got lake trout.
Yep, we got brown trout, rainbow trout. We even have perch that we do in the springtime.
It's come back?
It is coming back slowly. It's not what it used to be, but it is coming back, which is nice.
And as everybody knows, the Lake Michigan perch is famous. It's one of the best fish out there. Salmon is good, but perch, fry in the pan.
Oh, it's so good.
It's amazing.
But salmon's really good too, smoked, on the grill, cedar plank, deep fried even. You can't really mess it up.
No, you can't. It's a fresh fish.
Yes.
So Kyle, what is to be a captain of the charter boat and the owner of this business? What is like your life? I mean, do you have any life while you're doing this stuff?
Well, we don't have much of a life because we're always on the water and always trying to get this boat up to par to make sure it's always running when we get here in the morning. We always try and get here an hour and a half, 2 hours before every trip to make sure all the oil levels are good. We retie all the lines, making sure nothing is broken.
Safety is important for you and your customers.
Yes, definitely. Safety is number one. We definitely want to.
What time you start your charters?
Our charters start at 5 in the morning and go to 11, and then we do 11 to 5. So we run 2 6-hour charters a day, and then
7 days a week?
7 days a week. So that's 12 hours of fishing and about 4 hours of prep time, 2 hours of cleaning and 2 hours of prepping the boat before the trips and stuff for that day.
They're all romantic about, being on the water. It's gone once you're doing that for a living.
Yes, definitely. But I enjoy it. It's definitely in my blood. We got 3 generations out here, and that's unbelievable when we could be all fishing at the same time. There's not many people could say that, where you're fishing with your grandfather, my dad, my uncle, my brother.
It's a long history of the business. And once again, we're with SpendthriftCharters. It's off of the Waukegan, it's north of the Chicago, and these guys are running the fishing charters from April all the way through the November.
Yep, November 1st.
And guys, anytime, go on their site, give them a call, book your charter. You will have the best experience of your life. What is the limits for fishing? It's different limits for different types of fish?
Yeah, so for salmon, it's five fish per person. And with lake trout, it's 2 fish per person. So it's an aggregate limit of 5. So we're allowed 5 fish per day for 365 days a year.
And how many people you can take on a boat?
We're allowed to take up to 6 people. And we always usually have a captain and a first mate that ensures you to make sure you guys have a great time. Hey, go, 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 go!
Here we go.
You're good, Nick. You think we can make one inside here, Nick? Can I do it real quick?
It's a nice one.